Wagwan J Squad, it's your boy J and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Alright, so guess what now guys? Today I'm gonna take you guys with me to Ackee Bush. Yeah man, we'll look some Ackee and you guys get to join me on the journey. So let's go. So yeah man, right, there's a bubble line on the tree and I'm at the that thing. And blue is on the other side picking up. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna. Enough people only hear about them thing, but them never really get the experience. You know? So when you show them now, then get excited to see it. See that guys? That's a go on, you know? Work where I work. Guys, that's a go on, you know? Work where I work. Good man. You have to watch your head, you know, guys. Because trust me, if you don't look up, you will get lick in your head. And you know me would want a bubble of lick in your head, though. No, sir.
None of them?
None of them.
Bubble, I know him mad up them, man. I'm going to give you a Ackee.
I think we can ask like some of them kind of, you know?
Some of them are going to do that till next week, you know.
Yeah, I think you saw me after a week.
Yes, man, I see it.
That one, yeah? Yeah, man, yeah. Something fancy. This is everything.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it. I see it. Somebody decide to help themselves, man. Yeah. This honesty can't end in a brother. Because you see it and you know you put it there. But you reap it. Yeah man. Dishonesty, man, but sure. Where you go? Cause me always say it, you know, you can't change no man, you know. You see, Bubbler, you can't change a man have to choose to change himself. Yeah, man. Cause if him not see nothing wrong with what him doing, you know. Nah, top. No, true. You can't change somebody if they don't see the need to change. None at all. Them have to see it. Even when you tell them about the love of Jesus, you have to tell them and them get the realization for themselves. Say, hey, this is the right thing, man, tell me. Oh, you tell him, and he not listen to you. Something special have to happen. The Holy Spirit have to convict the heart there and say, hey, change up your ways. So guys, I will right now, a bag we bag them up, you know. We pick up at the same time and just a bag up. So yeah guys, we are bag out here now. After we pick up now, we are bag out. And you know, I put them together here now, so this is what it looks like guys. So yeah man. And when some of you guys go to the store and you buy the canned Ackees, yeah man. This is the part I where them not really show you. The work part. Oh, don't it, Bubbler? Yeah, man. Them don't know what that part, yeah. So guys, see the Bubbler and Blue. Pick of them, man, you know? So we're there in the bush. Yes, guys. So this is all part of the journey, is it? All part of the work. We have to do it, man. Because if we don't get it done, nobody now do it for you, though. So we definitely have to get it done. If you guys are wondering, yeah, man, it's heavy. About 40 pounds, they set on my shoulder or more. So we have stocked them up now, guys. So yeah guys, we finished with the first part and now we're on to another tree, you see it? Yeah man, whole heap of thing. I'm telling you, bush with it today, you know, guys. Real bush. Hey! You see it, man? Eh? You have to walk a mark here now? What kind of something that? So you gone and left me? Bubble alright, man. Bubble go on. There's a bubble, you know, man. No kiss from them. Are you here? Bubble saying loving kiss, but you know what? No kiss from us. Youth. Oh, you go on a love bubble in a blue. Man say no one, no what's kiss. You have a top guy, man, yard. See there, guys? Real nice farm, you know. Arcadia right there, so. Arcadia right there, so. And a nice goat pen right here, so. Trust me, country life nice. I keep telling you that you know and understand. Country life nice. Type down in the comment section, country life nice, if you really know what country life really is. If you've ever experienced country life, yeah man, just drop it down in the comment section. Yeah man, we'll keep the comment section buzzing for that one, yeah. You really endorse eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Right next to the goat farm, the goat pen, guys, is a nice tilapia pond. Carrying over a little bit closer to him. Careful of where I drop. Right there, so it's a nice little backyard tilapia pond. Yeah man. You look carefully, you can see tilapia in the water. And you know tilapia is a low maintenance backyard fish. So you don't really have to do no overpower, but fishing them, man. Trust me, guys. Some nice size fish too. Sugar cane there at the some planting, guys. Hey guys, remember to like, comment, and share. And if you have not yet joined the family, remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on all notification bells so you will never miss another video like this. Looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Alright guys, so as we always say on this channel, Jay says, and we are out of it.